Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of smelly shoes quickly and easily with simple household hacks. If your shoes stink, don't worry, I've got you covered. First up, the classic hack, baking soda. Just sprinkle a little inside your shoes. Leave it overnight, and in the morning shake it out. Baking soda works because it absorbs odors and moisture, two things that make shoes smell. Another quick fix is unused black tea bags. Pop a couple into your shoes and leave them overnight. Tea naturally absorbs odors and can leave your shoes smelling fresh. This one sounds weird, but it works. Seal your shoes in a plastic bag and stick them in the freezer overnight. The cold kills odor-causing bacteria, so your shoes come out smelling better. Got an orange or lemon? Toss the peels inside your shoes. The natural oils in citrus peel fight odor and leave a clean, fresh scent. And that's it! For easy hacks to deodorize smelly shoes using things you probably already have at home. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more quick tips and share this with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching.